Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another AFG family video. We hope everyone's doing well. Today's challenge is the food challenge.
Yeah. So guys, what the food challenge is all about is that we'll be taking either a wing or a chip and we'll be putting our hands in this box. Now in this box is mystery sauces, either jam or ketchup. And we don't know where the jam and ketchup is, so we're just putting our hand in and dipping it in the mystery sauce.
ګرانو دوستانو لکه نن دلته موږ دلته د چکن وینګز دي یعنی د چرګ وزر او چپس دي بوکس کې دوه رقم سوس دي موږ به یا د خیلاس یا د چاپلاس نه بوکس کې سوري دي موږ به دغه په هغه کې چا خبره منډو او بیا به خورو چې موږ ته کوم سوس په کوم قسمت کې راسیږي خیلاس او چاپلاس نو دا د موږ سره تاسو وګورئ چې څه شي کېږي.
So guys, they meet us up first, but we have to close our eyes because we can't know where which sauce is where.
امیر یالا امیر اوس خپل سوس ټرای کوي امیر واخل دا نه چې شی او چپس واخل کوم ځای نه اچو where you want to put it from here or from this side? Okay, yalla, put it.
Okay.
Oh no!
Did you eat it? Okay, open eyes. Guys, you don't like it?
Just try this.
No, you don't need to eat. Try only one side, okay?
I'll say one more.
No, after you can
Yeah,
try again,
after.
okay? Now you stand in Sajad's
I
turn.
hate this one.
Oh, you hate that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Sajad. Now Sajad gonna try.
Okay, I'm going in strong with a wing. Okay, I'm gonna go on that side.
Okay, but you cannot look, yeah?
Yeah.
Muhammad, come stay here.
You guys close eyes?
Say
Okay.
when you're done, okay?
Amir, close your eyes. Amir, close your eyes. I can see you. You close your eyes, Amir. Yeah, Amir, close your eyes.
Wow.
Is it done? Was it nice, Sajad?
No, not really.
Oh, okay. Shall I open our eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now it's Muhammad turn, guys. Muhammad, where you wanna go try it?
A chip.
Okay, yeah. Muhammad gonna try trips from which
And
side?
now I'm gonna go Amir's side.
Okay. Amir, so Muhammad gonna try it. Sorry, Muhammad going to the khilas now was try kavi. Close your eyes.
I mean, close your eyes.
Mutpal star ki putawu urna. Sajad, Amir, close your eyes, Amir.
Oh no!
You guys can open now.
Was it nice?
Yep.
Okay. Now whose turn it is?
Me.
No, it's
Daddy's
my turn. Mana Barbados. Okay, guys, close your eyes. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm putting it. No, guys, don't look. Don't look.
Oi, 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 oi.
It's not good, it's not nice. Don't look at me, don't look. Yeah, it's not nice. Guys, you can look now.
Did you go this side?
Yes.
You did the same plan as me.
Oh no!
How was
It
it?
was ketchup.
This guy is a cheater. Dokabaz. Multabai, sorry, they got
My
me.
turn.
Okay, I'm going to try with last one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, try this one. I'm going to Okay, yeah.
I got that one.
Is that ketchup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Is that it? Guys, now I will explain you what it is.
It was nice.
This side was ketchup. The tomato sauce, khada the ketchup ni. That is jam day. مربع. نو محمد was a cheater. محمد متوي دا غوي خسته ده. خو اصلا ketchup د دوی سره دغه سره خوان کوي. Then now I hope you like it. It was so nice. The ketchup was nice with the wings. The wings was nice, hot wings. Now we will end it here.
Yes.
And we love you all.
Yes, we love you all.
Bye.